Hello everybody. In this video I take and change out the seats out of my 2005 Ford F-250 XL. I added the XLT seats. As you can see, I took the front seats out, cleaned the floorboard and everything, added the back seat, and then started into the front seat. I started with the center jump seat first, then added the passenger side seat, then the driver's side seat. Everything bolted right back in using the same hardware that came out of the XL seats. And you can see the finished products here. Sorry, this is just pictures in the video, but at the time I was just only concerned with the pictures.